If you've ever wondered how to move tracks in Audacity, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to rearrange your Audacity tracks, how to move individual audio clips left or right on the timeline, and how to move multiple clips together using a simple selection trick. This is one of those basic editing skills that can save you a lot of time when you're organizing a podcast, cleaning up a voice recording, or building a music project. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. All right, let's jump in. First, let's talk about moving entire tracks. If you want to change the order of your tracks in Audacity, find the track header. That's the gray section on the far left side of the track where the track name appears. Click and hold right on that track header. Once you click and drag, you can move the entire track up or down. As you drag it, you'll see that Audacity lets you change the vertical position of the track in your project. This is useful when you want to keep vocals, music, and sound effects in a specific order. When the track is in the right place, just release the mouse to drop it into the new position. And that's all it takes to reorder tracks in Audacity. Now, let's move on to moving audio clips left or right. If you want to shift a clip along the timeline, look for the gray bar at the top of the audio clip you want to move. Click and hold that top bar, then drag the clip left or right. This lets you reposition audio exactly where you want it in the project. For example, you might want to move a sentence earlier, delay a sound effect, or line up multiple pieces of audio more accurately. Just keep dragging until the clip is sitting in the correct spot, then let go to place it. So to quickly recap, use the track header to move whole tracks up or down. Use the gray bar at the top of a clip to move audio left or right. Once you get used to these basic actions, editing in Audacity becomes much faster and much easier. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want to see more Audacity tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.